Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another another Lego Polybag, and this one is the Star Wars AT-AT Walker, and this is the Brickmaster set, or from Brickmaster, basically. It's number 20018. Anyway, if you enjoy this kind of video and you find it interesting, please think about subscribing, because I am planning on doing one of these videos a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And I have done one of these videos a day, every day, for the recent past. So there's a decent amount of these out there if you're interested in them. And there's more on the way if you like this kind of thing. Now, one thing I want to point out is, if you're interested in the set itself, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Bricklink and on Amazon. A word of advice with this set, and probably the other Brickmaster sets, is I would recommend shopping around before just buying the first. Don't buy the first one you see, because some of these Brickmaster sets can be a little expensive depending upon where you find them. And, you know, make sure you're thrifty and try to save a little money, because there's no sense in wasting money you don't need to on Lego sets. Because, you know, you gotta figure, if you can save 10 bucks on a Lego set, then that's another Lego set. I think the logic is almost perfect there. Alright, so I need a 2x3. There's a 2x3 hiding somewhere. Where are, oh, here it is. Yeah, it's right in front of me. Alright, so there we go. 2x3. So 2x3, and then I'm having trouble finding the piece I'm looking for. Looking for that one. Ah, it's right in front of me. Alright, so that one goes there, like so. And we have a 2x4 going right here. And then we have one of those small 1x2 pieces that is hidden under a dish. There we go. That's what we need. Alright. I gotta tell you, I'm kind of excited about this whole AT-AT thing, because I wanted to put this one together for a while. And it's kind of a cool, I mean, I like the look of the set from the bag, and I enjoyed the Polybag, the other AT-AT we put together. I think we put together one or two Polybags before, AT-AT Polybags. I enjoyed those as well. So I knew this was going to come into play sooner or later. So this goes here, like so, which is going to hold all those things in, which I'm assuming are going to hold the legs. And then this goes right here, and this one is sticking off the back. So that gets us right there. And then, or is this going to be the front? This might be the front. No, it's got to be the back. Maybe it's got to be the back. Okay, I don't know if it's going to be the back or not. That's going to be a mystery. The upside is these pieces are pretty easy to get on. So I'm going to have like so and like so. So this is going to kind of be the, it's looking like the body of our AT-AT. And then another piece on top of those. Alright. It looks like that piece that I just accidentally grabbed might have known where it was headed in the end. Alright, so these go on top here, like so. And then these two pieces are going to hold those down together, which I'm liking, because it'll give them a decent amount of support. And then we have 1x2 across the top. And then these two things that are gonna maybe be, something looks like doors them, I guess. Alright, so I got those. And then, like so. And like so. And then, the tile piece. Alright. So it's kind of looking like a decent AT-AT body so far. And I'm gonna put doors on it. Alright. I dig it. Maybe I dig it. Is that door not high enough? Did we miss something? Hold on. So they just clip on, I guess. Alright. I'll see if that's right. I may have to come back and readdress that. But maybe. Alright, so gotta do the AT-AT head. So got one of these. And I'm gonna have a gray headlight. And then run the darker gray with the things on either side. This does on either side. And a 1x2. And a gray jumper. Like so. What on earth? Okay. We'll set this aside for a second. Alright, so I got one of these. So it's going to have a 1x1 tile. The gray tile goes on top. Like so. And then we have a cheese slope, goes on the back, like that. And actually, to speed things up, make this sort of more sensible, I'll clip these on here before I attach this thing to the front. I think it'll make things easier on us. And we have these two things here. Like so. And then this is attaching opposite that. So it goes in right here. Like so. And then this is going to attach to the front. Right there. And then these are going to move forward and be guns. Alright. That actually doesn't look too bad. I don't think. Let me make sure. Got it all lined up there. It doesn't look too terrible. Alright, so then these pieces go on the sides of the head of our AT-AT. Like so. And then we attach probably my least favorite piece ever in all of Lego to the side. I've never liked these little levers. I don't know why, but I have not. I don't care for them. I don't know why I don't like them. Maybe it's they seem kind of like, they seem too fragile to be reasonable Legos. Alright, so these are pointing directly forward though. Like so. Alright, so we got that. And then this snaps on to the front of our AT-AT. Like so. It looks kind of decent as an AT-AT body. And, yeah, I guess I guess that's how it's supposed to go, right there. Alright. So we gotta make the feet. So... where's the last 1x3? Huh. And it's going to be problematic. Alright, obviously, so we need 1x3s, and we need 4 of them. Let me see. There it was hiding. Alright. I was going to be super shocked if Lego shorted us a piece. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got those. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. Alright. Well, that one obviously wanted to go with us. So, I'll take care of that. And that. And this. And then pop these on the back. And line them all up. Nice and straight. No, I didn't want to click down. Make sure I'm doing them right, yeah. Alright. And 3. And 4. Alright. So that takes care of those. And then I'm going to have 4 of these. And so you're just going to be the legs again. We're going to be part of the legs. 2, 1, 2, 3, and number 4. Like so. And so we got these. And then so the clip goes this way, and the clip goes this way. So we're looking at them like this. Three and 4. And then we have these 4 pieces right here. Which are going to be our, like the tops of the legs. And 4. And lastly, we have these little claw hook things that are going to go on the bottom and attach the legs, or the feet. Like so. So we got those. And then we're going to have these 4. Are going to be the feet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then these insert down in there to get us the feet. Make sure these line up, because you know, we're not monsters. before. There we go. So we got our 4 legs, and then we attach them. And so they're all, so this part's facing forward. Actually, as AT-ATs go, this is kind of a cool one. It stands up, it seems like, pretty decently. Yep, it stands up pretty good. And we have a little bit of versatility if you want to make it walk some. You know, the legs are fairly posable. So you got some posing to your AT-AT. That's kind of cool. Anyway, extra pieces wise, we got these. So this is probably the neatest of the AT-ATs so far. I like it. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.